Today's DIY is to show you how to restore your C's menstrual cycle and also slow down early menopause. Guys, you need to wash it very well. Yes, very important. Wash very well. You can use your mortar to pound them, yeah, or you use your blender, yeah. If you use your mortar, the alligator pepper may end up like you may crush it a little bit, but if you use your blender, if you want to crush the alligator pepper, you'll find out that everything will go so smooth. But never mind, even if your alligator pepper is not crushed, so it's okay, but make sure you don't blend it smooth or you don't pound it smooth. That is just all you need. This is the consistency, and this is how it's gonna look like. So like I said, don't make it smooth, and also never bother even if your alligator pepper did not crush very well, so you don't need to bother about it. so you get a jar or any container that you can always cover very well. Yes, so I'm using this quantity more like a demonstration for the DIY. So if you want to do yours, you definitely need something more than this. Yes, because there are ways you're gonna take it. I'll let you know at the end of this video. So you have to store it in an airtight container, cover it up very well, and let it ferment for 3 days. So this is how it looks like after 3 days. You just have to let it ferment for 3 days. Yes, everything is gonna mix up together with the water. So like I said, this is just a demonstration of how you can do yours. You can do more than this quantity for yourself. Yep. So what you need to do, you need to strain it before you drink. Yes, remember you can always add water to your jar. Yes, so before you drink, you put in your cup, you have to strain it. Then whatever you strain out, you put it back in the jar, then add more water to it. Yes, as long as you still feel the taste, you still keep on adding water. So what you need to do is a cup of you take a cup in the morning in an empty stomach. Just make sure you didn't take anything in the morning before you drink a cup. Then in the evening you take 1 cup before you go to bed. Believe me, within a week, it all depends on how severe your case is. Let's say maximum 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Remember, our body reacts differently to DIY, but definitely it's going to restore your cyst period, because most people, their period cease prematurely. Yes, some people it cease prematurely, and some people, due to some health issues, they end up seeing their menopause at a very early age, which is not supposed to be so. So this is going to help to reverse those early menopause sign that you've been seeing. It's going to slow it down to make it come later. And also, if you have any issues of your period season, so this is going to make your period flow normally. So just make sure you are consistent in taking it. Like I said, this is more like a demonstration of how to do it. You can get more ginger, more garlic, more alligator pepper. You can do as many as you want. Yes, you can do as many as you want. So that is how you do this. So guys, if you have any question, don't fail to drop your question in the comment section. You can write me on my Instagram handle, and you can send me an email if you have any question to ask. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and also like my video. Don't forget to share my video, because sharing is caring. Until next time, I'll see you in my next DIY. Bye bye.
Say well.